Hello guys, Golden Joe, Adam and UK Trade United here. Now here I have the showcase of Redcar Central Level Crossing in Yorkshire. Now this crossing has got its LEDs, they're already on because this crossing is actually shut. There's a road closed sign. Anyway, it's got LEDs with gates. They even have motors with wheels at the bottom there. They're used to move the barrier like that.
That's a matter. And also, you guys, it's been padlocked shut by
So,
a flipping dog. Yeah.
These barriers are being chained up because I think in 1 or 2 weeks this crossing is going to get upgraded with its barriers. Its LEDs are going to stay as they was before. Here's the back of your light with its alarm. Here's the Redcar Central signal box. There's the station over there. This is run by Northern.
Don't lean on the gate, the alarms will start.
Warning, do not trespass on the railway, penalty £1,000. Here's your LED up there. This is connected onto the wall. There's the back of the light. Warning, limited clearance. There's another barrier over there with its 2 LEDs and an alarm. And the time of this showcase is 13:29 on Sunday the 6th of December 2015. Now, this crossing is on the Salisbury to Darlington line. That way is towards Salisbury, that way is towards Darlington. Now let's try and get the far back shot. Here's the far back shot of the crossing, operating, but it's actually closed due to it's going to be upgraded very, very soon. I can't wait to see its new look when I get back to this crossing. So yeah guys, this is Redcar Central Level Crossing, and thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.